You ever get that feeling like you need a PhD in computer science just to hop on a simple video call? Yeah, it's a super common frustration. But what if the answer wasn't more tech, but less? We're going to dive into one simple but really powerful idea that's trying to fix all that complicated software.
I mean, it's a question we've all screamed at our screens, right? You just want to talk to somebody, but first, you got to scale this digital Mount Everest of hurdles. And as it turns out, the reasons why it's so complicated, they're pretty much the same for everyone.
Okay, I'm willing to bet a bunch of these are going to hit home. You know, the forced download and install, not just for you, but for the person you're trying to call, too. Ugh. And the endless loop of creating an account, then immediately forgetting the password. Or how about those screens that are so cluttered with features you can't even find the end call button? And underneath it all is that little voice asking, where is all my data actually going? It's a universal headache. It really makes you wonder, right? There's got to be a better way.
All right, so let's talk about one answer to that question. It's a tool called Eyecon, and pretty much its entire reason for being is to be the antidote to all those frustrations we just talked about.
And this chart, wow, it really lays it all out, doesn't it? On one side, you've got the old way, the tangled mess of most video apps. But on the other side, the Icon way is just a straight line. Instead of installs, it just runs in your browser. Instead of accounts and sign-ins, you just get a unique link. No sign-ups needed. And instead of storing all your personal info, it's privacy first. Nothing gets stored. The whole point is to let you focus on the actual conversation, not the software. And honestly, that's not just a small improvement, it's a totally different way of thinking about it.
I mean, look how simple this is. The entire process is just 3 steps. 1, you generate a link. 2, you share it. 3, you both click it. That's it. That's the whole thing. Just think about everything that gets rid of. No watching tutorials, no frantic calls to the IT guy, no waiting around while your guest fumbles with an install. The whole idea is that it just works.
And don't think this simplicity is only for, casual family chats. No way. The uses are actually super broad. Think about it. For a sales call, you're removing that first big roadblock for a new customer. For tech support, you get straight to fixing the problem. For coaching sessions, or even just catching up with family, the tech just fades into the background. It lets the human connection be the main event, which is the whole point.
This quote just nails it, doesn't it? In a world of complicated apps, Eyecon keeps it simple. See, the goal isn't to cram in more and more features that you never use. It's about enabling a better, faster, easier conversation so you can build a stronger relationship. In this case, simplicity isn't just one of the features, it's the feature. Okay, so this is where it gets really interesting. A tool this simple doesn't just happen by accident. It's the result of a really specific, really intentional philosophy about how you should build software right from the very beginning. And that brings us to the big idea here, the whole philosophy of no download. This is the core concept, the engine behind the scenes that makes something like Eyecon even possible. And it's a really cool way to look at things. So the fancy technical term for this is a web-based application. But really, all it means is this. Unlike a normal app you get from an app store, you don't actually install anything on your phone or computer. The whole program lives on the web, and you just get to it through your browser, kind of like any other website. But that one little difference, it changes everything. And you can hear it straight from the developers in this quote. They say their web apps don't require any downloads or installs. You just scan a QR code and you're in. That bit right there, simply scan a QR code, that tells you everything you need to know. It's all about making the connection between you and the app completely instant, wiping away every single barrier. Okay, so the benefits for us, the users, are super obvious, right? No downloads, yay. But what's really cool is that this no download way of doing things has massive advantages for the people who actually build the software. Because they write the code once, just a single source code, and it works everywhere, on any device of the browser. They don't have to build a separate app for iPhone, another for Android, another for Windows. You get the idea. And that means it's way cheaper to build, way faster to develop, and a whole lot easier to maintain. It's just a smarter way to do it.
So, if this whole approach is so smart and so effective, who's the company that's actually building their whole strategy around this idea?
Well, let me introduce you to Productive Computer Systems, or PCS for short. They're the minds behind Eyecon,
And they're the team that has really championed this no-download philosophy in everything they do.
And just so we're clear, these guys are not some new startup just jumping on a trend. PCS has been in the game for decades, building custom IT solutions and tailoring their work to solve very specific problems for their clients.
And their client list is seriously impressive. We're talking about solutions for everyone from local businesses right down the street all the way up to absolute giants like Microsoft and Starbucks. When you earn that kind of trust from such a huge range of clients, well, that really says something.
And when you look at their other products, you really start to see the pattern. Eyecon isn't some one-off idea. Whether they're building a communication tool like Eyecon, or a hospitality management app, or a customer loyalty program, the DNA is always the same. Create a focused, simple, web-based solution that solves one specific problem really, really well. All right, so let's zoom out again. We've seen the products, we've seen the philosophy, but how does this all apply on a bigger scale? What does this approach mean for your business as a whole?
Well, PCS calls their overall service IT in a box. And it's a brilliant concept, especially for small businesses. It's designed for companies that need top-notch expert tech help, but maybe can't afford or don't need a full-time IT department on the payroll. So their core services really break down into 3 key areas. You've got IT consulting, which is all about helping you figure out the big picture strategy. Then there's web development, to build out your online home. And of course, their specialty, creating those custom web-based apps we've been talking about, the ones that solve those unique business problems. And what's key here is how they work. It's super collaborative. They're not just trying to sell you some generic off-the-shelf software. Nope. They start by really digging in to understand your specific challenges first, and only then do they go and design and build a solution that's tailored just for you. It feels a lot less like a transaction and a lot more like a partnership. This quote right here basically sums up their entire business model. You know your business, PCS knows IT. It's that simple. The idea is that you're the expert on what you do, and they're the experts on the tech. And it's that synergy, that combination of the two, that's the real key to creating a solution that actually works. And in the end, it all comes back to this single guiding principle: building potent, cost-effective solutions that solve real business problems without all the usual friction. That's it. That's the one simple idea that's powering all of this. So I want to leave you with this one last question to think about. We've all been kind of trained to believe that for every single problem, there's an app we have to download. But what if your biggest business problem could be solved without another app? What if the most powerful solution required no install, no new account, no password to forget? What if it just worked?